Welcome everyone, let's now see how to perform a drilling operation. As before, let's start by creating the machine setup. I've already explained how to set up the machine in previous videos, so I won't go over it again. Alright, after that, I'll first apply a facing operation to this part to prepare the initial face of my workpiece. I've also explained how to perform a facing operation earlier. If anyone isn't familiar with it, please watch my initial video on facing operations. Alright, next I'll use a 2D adaptive clearing operation and a 2D contour to remove the stock from my workpiece. Since I've already clearly explained how to perform both of these in previous videos, I won't go into detail again. Therefore, I'll follow those same steps for this. I've used aluminum as the material for this workpiece. Remember that your tool parameters might change based on the material you're using. Alright, then let's see how to do a drilling operation. First, go to the drill menu in the top toolbar and select the drill operation. Alright, then the first thing we need to do for these drill holes is to center mark them. For that, we'll need a center drill. Since I don't have one already made in my tool list, I'll start by creating a center drill. I've already explained how to create a tool, so I won't go over it again. Just remember to input the tool details and parameters to suit your material and machine. Once you're done creating the tool, go to the geometry menu and select the drill holes on your workpiece. Next, go to the heights menu. Then, input your heights. Here, I'm selecting the hole's top as my top height. After that, for the hole's bottom, I'm selecting the top and providing a negative value to indicate how deep I want to go from there. This is just one way. You might have a different method when you do it. I'm going to mark the center 2 mm deep. Then, go to the cycle menu. Select the cycle for the operation you're performing. Here, I'm choosing the rapid out cycle, which is G81. Alright, next, we need to look at the diameters of the drill holes and proceed with the operation by selecting the appropriate tools for them. There are 4 different hole diameters here, and I'll select tools for all 4 and continue the operation. Alright, I'll go back to the drilling menu, select it, and first, let's set up the tool for the 6 mm holes. When selecting a tool, don't forget to use the correct parameters for it. After that, I'll go to geometry and select the holes that are 6 mm in diameter. After that, just like before, I'll select the hole top and bottom. Next, I'll select the cycle, and for this, I'm choosing the deep drilling cycle, which is G83. Here, you can input the pecking depth reduction, and minimum pecking depth. These values can vary depending on the material you are drilling. Alright, now I'll set up the correct tools for the remaining holes and continue the operation in the same way. Keep watching the video, and if there's anything you don't understand, feel free to leave a comment below.